So pretty complex report. I'm going to show you another easy way to look at like wait time and things like that as well. So if I go to dashboards, created a really simple dashboard where you can visualize a lot of your data. I'm using some out-of-the-box gadgets, but I'm also using another add-on that we work with quite a bit with our customers called Custom Charts for Jira. Some of you might be familiar with it. It's by a vendor, Old Street Solutions. Really nice add-on, and I'll walk you through it in a second. But I'm going to start with the left-hand side, and you'll see I have a basic filter results. I'm showing all of my stories. I have some metadata in here, like cost of delay, my class of service, if it's unplanned or planned work. Gives me just a way to visualize and click through all of my work items and what's going on with them. We have another gadget here out of the box for resolution times. It's your average resolution time over a period of time per day. Your average age, so your average age chart of your issues per day over a period of time. So high-level bar charts, you can click on them and get to the issue navigator. And then we have on the top here, the another out-of-the-box one for your Jira roadmap. So you'll see I have release 2.0.0, and it just shows me a very quick view of what's going on with your release. But custom charts for Jira gives you a much more granular level of detail in terms of your reporting. So if you look at this first one here, it's a basic tile chart. But if I go into configure, it gives me a lot of stuff I can do with it. And basically, I can select my source, which is the project, the JQL, or whatever it is. I'm going to select this whole project. I'm charting by the type of work because I want to see unplanned work. I can calculate by the count of issues, or I can calculate by sum or average. I can pick whatever I want to count by, story points, etc. And what's really super neat about it is I can do a chart title, and down here, I can actually select to hide and show things, which is very nice. I can select the color for each one of them, including hex. I can change the name of any of these values, as well as I can combine values. So I can add options to individual values, which is super nice as well. Little fun thing they added. You can turn it into dark mode. I guess that's fun if you like that. You can order it. And then you have a lot of display options as well. So great add-on which gives you really easy charts to use, and anyone can use it. So this is representing my number of issues that are unplanned in a tile chart. Very bold statement, right? It's out there for me, and it's really clear that I have 16 issues unplanned. Very easy to see. Two-dimensional filter right here, basically showing the number of issues by release, by class of service. A tile chart, again, the number of issues per status. Pie chart, the number of issues per assignee. Maybe I want to go in here and I want to change this to a bar chart. I can do that as well. I can see it as a bar chart. That's probably not going to give me much. As a line chart, a single right there. So there's a lot of ways you can use this tool to visualize things differently. Stack bar chart for the number of issues by assignee by status. Bar chart for the number by class of service. I have a simple created versus resolved that Custom Charts does over a period of time, as well as a grouped bar chart by class of service and status. So that's a dashboard, but I'm going to show you another add-on real quick, and it's called Time and Status. And this is, I think, Time and Status for Jira Cloud. And basically what it does is it gives you just a really neat visual view where you can dissect your data and slice and dice it any way you want. So I'm going to start here with a table view. You could basically filter your issues. You can show the number per row. You can update your source. And then basically, I'm looking at every issue over that period of time and the time it's been in each status. I can also do the assignee time, the average time, status count, et cetera. There's a lot of things you can do with this. And what I like about it are a few things. One, I get this view, but my favorite view is this pivot chart. Because with this pivot chart, I can actually see over this period of time for each individual issue, the time it's been in each status and overall total time and status. So over this time period, I had 844 I think, hours that were basically my issues were in waiting status. So it gives you that data very easily. So between the dashboard, which gives you all the unplanned work, this gives you your wait time right here as well. And you can see it in a chart if you prefer to see it that way. So you get a pie chart or bar chart stacked area. So it gives you a lot of options there. And you can update your metrics, days, hours, minutes. You can export the charts to any visual you want. And you can export the other data types, the pivot chart, to CSV. And you can also export all the custom charts for Jira charts to like PNG, JPEG, a few other things like that.